Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Passport. This compact SUV from Honda is a good compromise of size and comfort. The compact design lets you maneuver well through heavy traffic while still having ample space to carry most anything you need. The Passport gives you the comfort of Honda reliability and quality and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.